Hello friends, let's crochet a little sheep like this. I have YarnArt Jeans, 2 hooks, 2.1 and 1.6. Also we need threads for embroidery, needle and fiber fill. Let's start from the small details and make the front paws. We make a magic loop, hook 1.6, and we make 6 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and we make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round. Or we just begin a new round in the first loop without a slip stitch and a chain, as you like. The pattern is the same for the both of the ways. In the second round we make 6 increases. Two single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make without changes 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the next round we make 4 decreases. A decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, 1, decrease, 1 single crochet, a slip stitch and a chain. And now we have 8 loops in the round, and in the next round we make without changes 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a slip stitch and a chain. And we make 2 rounds more, the 6th and the 7th, for right single crochets in each round. So we've made 7 rounds. Leave the long end of the thread to sew the paw to the body and make another front paw in the same way. We make also the back paws in the same way, but just without the 7th round. There are 6 rounds in the back paws. I'll make the text pattern in the description to this video, so you can see how many rounds and how many single crochets we have to do in each round. And now let's make the ears. Make a magic loop and 5 single crochets in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we make increase and 1 single crochet in the next loop, then increase, one single crochet and increase in the last loop. A slip stitch and a chain. Then we make 2 rounds for 8 single crochets without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch, a chain, and we make the next round in the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the next round, we make 2 decreases. 1 single crochet, another one in the next loop, and decrease. 1, 2, 3, decrease, a slip stitch, a chain, and we have 6 loops in the round. So we make the next round without changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A slip stitch and a chain. Cut the thread make the second ear in the same way. And now let's make a little white tail. A magic loop, 5 single crochets into it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a slip stitch and a chain. In the second round we make 5 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the next round we make 2 decreases. We start the round with decrease and then make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and repeat. Decrease, 1, 2, 3, a slip stitch, a chain, and the next round we make without changes 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end to sew the tail to the body. So we've made all the small details and see you in the next part.